released. We got out of the building and into the building, and we got out of the house. So this time around, we're going to be focusing a lot on reggae music and good dance hall as well. What else you want me to say? I mean,
Come to Jamaica?
well, you got to come to Jamaica to witness this thing.
Okay.
Everyone loves it. And the experience it's really kind of awesome. Everybody's there, and so much you see. The crafts that are coming out of Jamaica, the kind of good work that they're doing here is just phenomenal. I mean, how do they do it? I don't even know how they do it. So the food, of course, is out of this world, and the displays are finger-licking.
Yay!
Hi, my name is Yoni Priestley from the Tourism Enhancement Fund, and we are here today at the Montego Bay Expo at the Montego Bay Convention Center in Jamaica. And we're just telling persons a little bit more about what it is we do. We are a division of the Ministry of Tourism of Jamaica. So what we do here specifically, the Tourism Linkages Network, we create a link between all our productive sectors, our local manufacturers, our industries, and the tourism sector. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what we do, you can visit us on our social media pages on Facebook and Instagram at TEF Jamaica, or you can also send us an email at Tourism Linkages Network at tef.gov.j.
Hi, my name is Tichelle. I'm from Link, as you can see. So Link is a digital wallet that allows you to pay your bills online. So it's any kind of bills, it's your light bill, your water bill, your phone, your landline, your cable, your insurance. So if you have car insurance to pay, instead of joining the long line, you can just use the app to pay your bills. It also allows you to top up and to send or ask for money without exchanging your banking details. All you need is your username. So we have a special feature that allows you to cash in and cash out at any email. So to cash in, you're going to select cardless transaction. You don't need a card or an account to do this transaction. So to cash in, it works as doing a deposit, and to cash out, it works as doing
Hi, I am Natania Barnes, a third-year student at the Sam Sharp Teachers College, where I major in primary education, maths and science. Of course, we have a variety of programs, bachelors ranging from special education, biology, mathematics, English language and literature, school counseling, Spanish and English, Spanish and French. Of course, if you'd like more information, you can visit our website at www.sansharp.edu.com. Bye!
Hi, good morning. My name is Jada Paul. I'm a marketing officer here at Transfer Customs and Advertising. Thank you so much for stopping by. Out here, we have some of the items that we sell at this shop. So this is our hot sauce, some of the t-shirts, caps, as well as we have a promo of some items coming up, which is restaurant week, which we expect next week, as well as our World Cup Hunt. It's going to be very premium, very exclusive. Come out and watch and enjoy.
Website.
Our website is www.tracksandrecords.com.
Good morning, my name is Julian Bernison Mullins. I'm the Parish Health Promotion and Education Officer with the Ministry of Health. And you're here at the Ministry of Health booth where we're offering educational sessions. We are also offering basic screening as in blood pressure and blood sugar checks. And of course, you know how important that is because 7 out of every 10 persons that die in Jamaica die from a chronic illness, such as diabetes, hypertension, cancers, and so on. So we understand that these lifestyle diseases are really, really serious and need to be taken care of. It's important that you get your screening as much as possible. You need to know your numbers, right? So for more information, you can visit Caribbean. For more information, you can visit the St. James Public Health Services at Creek Street, Montego Bay, or www.moh.gov.j. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rupert Corporation. Today we're displaying a few different items from our company. We're a major distribution company in Kingston, and we have the beauty line that we're promoting today, the True Natural Soaps, the hair gels, the Ocean Potion line with the suntan lotions and everything. And just behind that we have our automotive section. So we have a wide spread of different items that are good for the skin, the hair, the face. And on the other side of it we have everything good for the cars as well. So both for the inside and the outside of the cars. We have them available today for viewing and for everybody else. The website is motorloads.com.
Hello, I'm Marita Africans. I'm the Operations Manager here at the Global Services Association of Jamaica, otherwise known as the Business Process Industry Association of Jamaica. We are the national advocates for the business process outsourcing industry. We represent that sector at the highest level, and we also represent employees and employers and service providers in our sector. Thank you so much. I can be reached at 876-322-9757, and my email address is aacampbell, that's aacampbell, @bpiaj.org. Thank you, and do come and check out our
Website. Your website.
our website is www.gsaj.org. Thank you.
Alright, so my name is Camille Hay, and I'm the Regional Director for RSD the Kingston brand. We are the Montego Bay Expo 2020, and we are showcasing services in shipping. So we are a shipping agency, and we have services both import and export globally, in and from Jamaica. We have partners around the world, in the Caribbean. We have vehicle services, air freight, LCM, fruit and vegetables to Jamaica and the Caribbean. What we have to offer, we have quite a few members of staff who are fully experienced, to take care of all the logistics need. We offer import, customs clearance, door-to-door services, and trucking services. So you can contact us on our website www.rsdshippingagency.com. You can contact us at 876-618-2395 for our Montego Bay office,